What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. I think they have a good potential either to flip, or actually one of them is a pretty cool project. I think it's actually like an alpha group or a tool that can be used in the future. But before I'm going to show you the projects, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called non-fungible data. So this is free mint collection, 3,333 NFTs. And this is the project that it says Alpha Community 2.0 and with its own platform. So it looks like they're actually going to have some kind of tool and etc. And if you open up their link tree, then you're going to be able to see official website, white paper. I would actually recommend reading white paper because you'll get a lot of information out of it. And then Twitter, Discord, and then collab form if you're a collab manager. So I think this project has actually a good potential, not just for quick flip as a DGM project, but actually to use and gain value out of this project. And if we go to their website, as you can see right here, you can watch the video, you can try beta version and a lot more, and you can just scroll through and read about this project just in general. So this is one. Then the second project, it's called Chill Sauce, free sauce. So this is free mint and they're gonna have 999 free chill sauce. So I'm assuming that's how many NFTs they're gonna have, and at the time of recording this video they have almost 20,000 followers. But from what I've seen so far, I think this project is gonna be very over allocated because looks like almost every single alpha group out there is collabing with them and handing out whitelist spots. I think this DGM project is going to be very over allocated, but at the same time it might be a really good quick flip. And then the last project, it's called Shape Ninjas. This collection is going to have 1,500 free NFTs, no Discord, and at the time of recording this video they have 15,000 followers. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement, but this engagement is due to premium link because it's one of the requirements, like and retweet. And as you can see, replies not that many, but still I think this is going to be a good project for a quick flip. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and thanks for watching.